Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Data Analysis with Justin. In this YouTube channel, I will be posting the videos related to various SQL and Python problem solutions, which will not only help you to build a strong foundation in these tools, but also will increase your way of thinking logically. Before starting, I'd like to tell that for proper understanding of the problem solution, you should have the basic knowledge of SQL such as joins, order by, group by, where clause, having clause, etc. So for that, you can watch any tutorial related to beginner series and then you come back here. I will be solving the problems from different data analysis platforms such as StrataScratch, Data Lemure, Lead Code, and I'll provide the link in the description. So let's start from the StrataScratch first. So here you have multiple coding questions related to data engineer, data science, BI analyst, data analyst, and so on. So we'll start by first setting the difficulty level to easy and we'll pick one of the problem. Let's pick customer details. In this tab, on the left hand side, you will have the problem statement, the tables, and the preview of the tables. On the right hand side, we'll have the compiler where you can run the code. So we'll start by first understanding what does the problem says. Find the details of each customers regardless of whether the customer made an order. Output the customer's first name, last name, city with the order details. So in the output we need these four columns, that is first name, last name, city and order details. You may have duplicate rows in your results due to a customer's ordering several of the same items. Sort records based on the customer's first name and order details in ascending order. Okay, for completely understanding these type of problems, you need to first look into the tables and their features. So the first table is customers and their columns are ID, first name, last name, city, address and phone number. The second table is orders, that is ID, customer ID, order date, order details and total order cost. So for solving these type of problems where you have multiple columns from different tables, you need to build a relationship. So for building the relationship between these two columns, you need to understand the logic behind that. So whenever a new customer comes, his entry will be there in the customers table. So in customers table, you will have the unique customers. But whenever that customer is placing an order, and that can be a several times, his entry will be there in the orders table. So in orders table, you'll have a multiple customer IDs. You'll have the multiple customer ID. Okay. So the relationship between these two tables with will be with the ID and the customer ID. So we'll start with the code first. Select star from customers. We'll place an alias here and we'll perform the left join. And why we are performing the left join here? Because the question itself says that find the details of each customers regardless of whether the customer made an order. So we need all the customers regardless of the customer placed an order or not. Okay, so that's why we need all the customers. So that's why we have performed the left join. So customer C left join orders, the alias will be O and the keys for joining will be from the customer table we need ID and from the orders table we need customer underscore ID. So here the relationship has been made, but what the columns we need from these two tables? So we need first name, last name, city and order details. C dot first underscore name comma C dot last underscore name comma C dot city. And from the orders table we need order details. O dot order underscore details. So that's it till here. But in the last statement it says that sort records based on the customer's first name and the order details in the ascending order. Okay. So whenever we have a duplicate customers, we need to sort them based on their first name, based on their order details. So first we will perform the sorting based on first name and then order details. So we'll put the order by clause here, order by c dot first underscore name, comma, o dot order underscore details. Okay, and how this should be sorted? Ascending. So that's it. We have just completed the code. We'll run and check once if the output is correct or not. Okay, the output is coming, but we need to check if the output is same as the expected output or not. We need to click on here. This problem was already solved, that's why solve was written. Otherwise you will have to check this for the first time. So you'll see here your solution is solved, and in the output, let me explain you the output. Here the first name is Emma and the order details is null. So what is happening here? This customer has never placed any orders, has never placed any order. So Emma order details is null. So we need that customer also who has placed an order or not. Okay. And for the second condition, Eva, this customer has placed order 3 times. So based on the order details, it will be sorted. So first it will be quote C, and then it will be SH and SL. So that's all. Here you go. You have solved your first easy problem. And this introduction video was to make you understand how we can solve the problem in the StrataScratch platform. In my next videos, I will be picking the hard level problems and what approaches we can apply for that. Thanks for watching.